Right, now really have man I want love. And watch this now. Well, 2-0. 2-0! No, 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 that is undeserved. That was no, no. Pussy man eat it to the dog. It's stupid and wave you want blood clot name. Your body will fuck with that hit there. I swear to God. I fucking swear to God. Good job. Good fucking job. Chill off. Well done, Joe Felix. Get another one. Get another one. Do. Run up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Golasso! Full up for the pussy them! Suck your dirty mama. Suck your mama, Arsenal. Tottenham, Arsenal lose 1-0 to so. What? Two love Tottenham. Arsenal. Say what? Alright, say no more. Say no more. Penalty. Yes, 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 yes. And so the Arsenal downfall has begun. And it's 3-0. Oh shit, him save it. Oh gosh, him save it. Oh my word. Oh, it's still 3-0. Here ends the day that we were having a nice little up along with Tottenham and Arsenal. Tottenham losing 4-2, Arsenal losing 2-0. Ha 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 ha.